In today's video, we'll show you how to turn off stolen device protection on your iPhone. This feature is designed to keep your iPhone secure and prevent unauthorized use. However, there are legitimate reasons you might need to disable it, such as preparing to sell or give away your device. Before we start, please remember to like the video and share it. Thank you a lot. Let's quickly review what stolen device protection is. This feature helps protect your accounts and personal information if your iPhone is ever stolen. When enabled, it requires additional security measures like biometric authentication, Face ID or Touch ID, and enforces a security delay for critical actions when your iPhone is away from familiar locations such as home or work. Unlock your iPhone and open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Face ID and passcode. Enter your device passcode to proceed. Scroll down until you see Stolen Device Protection and tap on it. Toggle off the switch next to Stolen Device Protection. If you're not in a familiar location, a security delay will start before you can turn it off. You may need to authenticate with Face ID or Touch ID, wait for the security delay to end, and authenticate again. You've successfully turned off Stolen Device Protection on your iPhone. Remember, this feature is designed to keep your device and data secure, so only disable it if necessary, especially when selling or giving away your device. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and tricks. As always, if you have any questions or requests for future videos, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.